Welcome back, guys. So today I want to show you how to build local Ethereum networking in your local machine. So we'll use a tool called hardhat. So if you can Google hardhat, please. It's just a build tool we use to build. It actually give us like different templates we can use to build any project in Ethereum, especially. So first thing first, so we'll install this tool. In order to install this tool, number one, what you want to do, you want to make sure that you have a Node.js. Go to this link I've given you here. Just install Node. Once we install Node, we should be able to install hardhat. So we will use this. This is npm for those beginners. The npm is just like a Node command for installation. So you can install any dependency or any package. For now, we are installing hardhat. So go ahead and run this command right here, and then you should be able actually to install hardhat. So this command right here, npm init, is just to initialize the Node project. The Node projects will have like a package.json. So this command, it will just generate a package.json file, and that is the file where we use to install hardhat in a project. Okay. So I just want to make sure this for those beginners. I know everybody knows this, but there's some people beginning, so they need to know this simple stuff. So and then the second, we'll create a project. So this is where we'll create a project using hardhat. So you just have to learn npx hardhat, and then you can choose a template. There are simple templates, there are complex templates. There's different templates for different languages. Choose the one which fits you. And then once you do that, make sure you install. There will be, that's why I put a note here. So there will be some dependency. The tool will ask you to install some dependency depending on the version of hardhat you're using. Just go ahead, please install that. So once you install that, and then you choose a template, you should be good to you should be good to go. And number three, in order so we can actually test, we have to really generate dummy accounts, or maybe so that we can simulate the real blockchain in our local machine. So for that, I already see in my folder for that. So I'm in number 3, please. So just run the npx. Let me sure everybody see. Just run npx hardhat. npx hardhat. I already have here on my machine accounts. This will generate some dummy accounts or some dummy user, you can say, so that you can actually test. So I see it generates this one right here. So, and the other thing I want to show you, the cool thing about hardhat is a very clean tool. So you can actually just use like hardhat. You can see like the hardhat life cycle. There's a different task you can actually there's different option you can use, like config. There's a different stuff you can actually use. Also, I'm just want to show this task right here, so you can see there's a different task. There's accounts which I run. I show you check, clean, compile, test, verify. So it's very similar to Maven for those who are using Java. I'm a Java guy, so I'm very familiar with Java ecosystem. So that kind of like you can compare with Maven or any other build depending on the language of your choice. So to show you, just this is actually working. Just run like test, one of the tasks which I've shown you, and then you should see actually it actually does something over here. You can see that it's working fine. And actually I can also try to run the compile. Compile should also kind of like there. We don't have anything right now to compile, but I just want to show you those. You get your tool is actually working. So this guy will use this as our base to build more cool apps using this tool. Please subscribe. Please let me know your suggestion. I really want to hear your suggestions so I can improve what you want me to build in Web3. Please give thumb ups, likes, and share. Thank you very much for your support. I appreciate that. So please don't miss next video, which I'll show you how to do some cool stuff. We'll start with a very simple app. Thanks. Bye.